Hey guys, we're looking at a 2017 Kenworth T680 with Paccar 455 horse engine. You can find this truck and many more at aaatrucksales.com. Now this truck features 10-speed fully automatic transmission. You got excellent rubber on here. New quarter fenders. Fresh DOT. You've got dual air ride seats. It's your short sleeper. I believe that's about 36-inch. Freezing cold AC, CD player, interaxle, lock, air suspension dump, Jake's, cruise. Got an adaptive cruise fault. It's not going to slow you down. It's got power windows, locks, and mirrors. Thank you guys for checking out our trucks.